Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. I am Neha from Nasia Crochet, and today we are going to learn how to make this beautiful bouquet blanket. So let's get started, and don't forget to subscribe for more such videos. For blanket I am using white milky yarn with 5.5 mm hook, and for roses we are going to use red and shades of pink with 4.5 mm hook. So let's get started. We will start with a magic ring and do 2 chains on it. Then we will do double crochet. Altogether it should be 12 double crochets in the round. So basically round 1 we are doing 12 double crochets. I'm done with 12 double crochets. Now we will join it with a slip knot, just like this. Yeah, now we will do 2 chain, and for round 2 we will do 2 double crochets in 1 stitch, and then 1 chain. Again 2 double crochet in second stitch, and then 1 chain. We will repeat this pattern for the round 2. I'll meet you on the end. Okay, so I am done with round 2, and we'll join it with 1 slip knot. For round 3 we'll again do chain 2, and then we will do 1 double crochet in first stitch. In second stitch we will do 2 double crochets. After doing 2 double crochet we'll do 1 chain, and for this row we will repeat this pattern till the end of this row. 1 double crochet in first stitch, in second stitch 2 double crochet, and then 1 chain. I'll meet you at the end. So I'm done with round 3. For round 4, chain 2. Now if you can see, we are making clusters of these double crochets, so we will repeat this pattern, and for these clusters we will increase, for every cluster we will increase 1 double crochet for every row. For just like this we have made 4 double crochets on top of 3 double crochets and chain 1. Again on top of 3 double crochets we'll do 4 double crochets. Likewise we will do total 22 rows. I'm going to mention the stitch count for all the rows, and I'm done with the 22 rows, and this is how it looks. So I'm done with the blanket part. Now we will do the leaves part. For leaves I'm taking green milky yarn. The thickness should be according to the white yarn that you are using for the blanket. So we'll start with a slip knot. Attach the yarn to any of the stitch, just like this. And then do chain 3, skip 2, and do single crochet in third stitch. Chain 3, skip 2, do single crochet in third stitch. We will follow this pattern for the entire round. Here I'm done with the round. Now we will do the leaves. For leaves we are going to chain 5. Don't forget to join the row with a slip knot. Now to chain 5, 1 2 3 4 5. From this stitch just leave 2 stitches, and in the third stitch we are going to do 1 slip knot, just like this. Yeah. Now we will chain 2, and in the same loop we will join it with 1 single crochet. Again in second loop we'll do same, 1 single crochet. So we are going to work on these loops, and 1 single crochet, 5 chain, 4 5, skip 1, in the third stitch 2 slip knot and 2 chains. Now 1 single crochet. We are going to repeat this pattern for all the loops around the circle, and these are going to be our leaves. I will show you this. I'm doing little part because I'll complete it in the night, so I won't get good light to shoot the entire part. So now I am done with around 10 leaves. We are going to work alternatively. The roses that we are going to attach, we will attach it alternatively, leaving 1 leaf and 1 rose, 1 leaf, 1 rose. So for rose, I'm taking this baby pink yarn. Let me show you how to make rose. Make a slip knot, and we will chain 14. And I'm using 4.5 mm hook for roses. Now skip 2, and we are going to do double crochets in each of the stitch, 3 double crochets in each of the stitch. That means in 12 chains we are going to do 3 double crochets in each stitch. That makes a total count of 36 double crochets at the end. I will meet you at the end. I'm done with all 36 double crochets, and now we will do chain 2 and join the stitch to the very first stitch of this work. Chain 1, cut the yarn. Now we will roll this work to give it a look of rose. So this is how this rose turns out. Now from the back we will just pull one last thread, the thread that we just cut. We will pull that thread from all 3 rows of the flower. Make sure we are covering all 3 rows. It should not be loosened from the center. Everything should be covered in this thread. I'm done with all the roses. I have made 50 roses for this. Now we will attach these roses alternatively, as I mentioned earlier. Every second leaf we will attach it. We will attach on 1 leaf, and we will leave second. Then on third we will leave fourth, and then on fifth. So alternatively we will attach this rose. To attach this rose, you can just pull the thread from the leaf, one thread, and the second thread also from another end of the leaf, just like this. And then we will make 3 tight knots, and this is the easiest way to attach this flower, and this is very durable way. Make 3 tight knots and then cut the thread. So I'm going to do this entire work in the night, and I'll get back to you tomorrow. Yeah, I'm done with the roses part as well. So I'm mostly done with all of my work of this blanket, and this is a customized order. So I have attached, like my customer wanted a small letter S on it, so I have attached that also on it. So if you want a video for letter attachment or making how to make the letters, so let me know in the comments. I will make another video for you. So this is how it looks. Hope you enjoyed learning with me. Don't forget to subscribe and share.